Spot the difference between two foundation chains, one in blue and one in rose. What do you notice? Let's recreate the foundation chain in rose. Then after this, I'll show you how the blue chain was made. I'll also add a turning chain and a few stitches to both. Now, take a look. Which one looks right to you? When crocheting, avoid making stitches too tight or too loose. Your yarn should glide smoothly on the hook, and loops should be easy to make without struggling to insert your hook. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting!